Show expand to somebody.
Gestures, yeah.
Right. So expand. So, expand. Right? So when you say that, have one mind and say expand. Do something like that. Or when you said 10 years ago when I came, say 10 years ago when I came, there were a lot of greens, but right now it's different. Can you see a little difference like that?
Yes.
Same words, but installing these body languages can take it to another level.
Sure.
Can you see the difference?
Yes.
Alright, let's give it up for Ravi.
Alright, who wants to go next? Okay, the first hand came from there.
Alright, give it up for Soumya. Come on.
Hi, myself Ravi. I'm from Hyderabad for Oracle. After attending the 2 days, my confidence boosted up like it went high. And when the first day when I come onto the stage, my confidence was maybe the way I was there, same thing. And then the 2 days helped me with a lot of tools and techniques and the inspirations given by the Bishal and his team, and definitely helped me. And the second day, just I need to speak on spontaneously on some topic, and that topic I rocked really, and I put my entire energy. And even Bishal said, "Yeah, you transformed very well within 2 days," and I feel really happy about this.
I'm a man on a mission.